Can rose water be used for oily skin?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an intriguing topic in the world of skincare: the use of rose water for oily skin. Rose water has been celebrated for centuries across different cultures for its beneficial effects. But the question is, can it really help manage oily skin? Let's find out.
What is rose water?
To kick things off, let's first understand what rose water is. Rose water is a fragrant liquid made by steeping or distilling rose petals in water. This natural ingredient is loaded with antioxidants and various beneficial properties, which can benefit our skin in numerous ways.
Is rose water good for oily skin?
So, coming to our main question, is rose water good for oily skin? The short answer is yes. Rose water can indeed be beneficial for oily skin, and here's why. Firstly, rose water is known for its astringent properties. This means it helps tighten the pores, which can reduce the excessive oiliness on your skin surface. Secondly, it has anti-inflammatory properties. This can help calm the skin and reduce the redness and irritation often associated with acne, a common problem for those with oily skin. Thirdly, rose water acts as a gentle cleanser, removing oil and dirt accumulated in clogged pores. And last but not least, it also helps maintain your skin's pH balance, which is often disrupted in oily skin types.
How to use rose water for oily skin?
So, now we know that rose water can indeed be a boon for oily skin. But how should you use it? Here are a few simple ways. Toner. After cleansing, apply rose water with a cotton pad to your face. It will tighten your pores and remove any residual dirt or oil. Face mask. Mix rose water with Fuller's Earth, Multani Mitti, or clay to make a face mask. This will absorb excess oil and give your skin a fresh look. Spray. Keep a small bottle of rosé water spray with you. Spray it on your face whenever you feel oily. It will refresh your skin without stripping off the necessary oils. So there you have it. Rose water can be a great ally for oily skin, helping to regulate oil production, tighten pores, and calm down any inflammation. Just like with any skincare product, results may vary from person to person. Always do a patch test before trying a new product and consult with a dermatologist if you have any concerns. We hope you find this information helpful in your journey to healthier skin. Until next time, stay beautiful.